I'm going to show you how to replace your low oil pressure indicator switch on your Honda CR-V 2.4 liter. It's located on the back of the engine. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove our lug nuts and remove our wheel. Make sure you have a hand on the wheel for that last one. Sometimes the wheel wants to jump off. You can get to this through the wheel well or from underneath. I prefer to get through the wheel well and underneath, so it's up to you. But if after you get your wheel off, you can reach up through there and take back this boot. All right, let's pull that boot back so you can get to your connector. And you're going to push down on the connector and pull. And set that off to the side. Now you're going to need a 24mm socket. And you're going to put it on your oil pressure switch. And put your ratchet on. It's easier to do it this way. So right now I have one arm through the wheel well and one underneath. All right, so now it's mostly out. I'm going to take down my socket and ratchet and see if I can get the rest by hand. Do have a drip pan below you to catch any oil that may come out. I've cleaned off the surface. You can do that just by wiping it down. All right, so you're gonna put a little bit of thread sealant on your oil pressure switch. You don't need a lot. Just put it right on the edge there and then it'll thread right in. This is the stick form. You can also use the liquid form. So now we are going to put the new one in, thread it in by hand. Now we are going to tighten it down. All right, if you can get a torque wrench in there, you're going to torque this to 13 foot-pounds or 156 inch-pounds. And there we go. So at this point, you can just put your wire on and put the boot on it. Reinstall your wheel and then put your lug nuts on finger tight. And then we're going to snug it up, go in a star-like pattern, like this. We're going to torque our wheels to 80 foot-pounds. You're going to do it in a star-like pattern. And I like to go around one more time to make sure I got them all. All right, now that that's installed, get your vehicle, start her up, and take it for a test drive.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.